In the previous session, we have discussed about the functions and types of functions, right? Today in this session, we are discussing problems on those. And in types of functions, we have discussed one function, onto function, which these two are very important. And apart from that, we have studied many one function, into function, and bijective function, right? So problems on all those functions. First one, check the injectivity and surjectivity of the following functions. So here what is most important, the set what they have given, okay, from where to where the mapping is going, that is only important. According to the mapping only we have to solve the problem. Okay, see the same, if they give the same function also here, that is x square and x cube here, but if x square is only give 1 and sets are different, also answer will be different. Okay, so I am doing first problem now, where mapping is integer to integer. Okay, first one, f is taken from integer to integer. Then I have to show that, check the injectivity and surjectivity, means I have to prove that for a 1 and onto function. Okay, so f of x is x square is the function what they have given. Two ways are there to solve. Either you take particular value and prove that it is not 1 it is not onto, or generally what we did in the previous session, like mathematically we have to do. Okay, so we'll see for a few problems we can do like this, because both we need to understand how it works. F of x is equal to x square. If I am giving any number for x, if x is equal to -1 and x is equal to 1, if x is -1, what happens? F of -1 is equal to -1 whole square, that is giving you 1. Okay, f of 1 if I take, that also will give you 1. So how is this possible if it is 1? That means mapping is coming like this for both the numbers. For -1 also it is coming 1, and for 1 also it is taking 1. So for both the values, it is, the mapping is going to 1, means it is not a 1 function. It is a function, of course it is a function, but not 1 function. So you can say that f of -1 is equal to f of 1 is equal to 1, but -1 is not equal to 1. Okay, therefore f is not 1 function. Is this clear? So any value you take, we have to get different one number to one number. One value has to be associated with the other value. So 1 to 1 is there, means it is called as a 1 function. Here both the values are going to 1, means that is not the 1 function. Now taking on to, see what is the function here? F of x is equal to x square is the function. So if this is the function, if I take any number you take, like a 3 belongs to B, that means the codomain. Okay, if 3 is belonging to codomain, then can you tell me what will be the x, where I will get in the integer? I am asking you like this. If here I am getting 3, for what value of x I will get 3? Is it possible to get 3? Because the function is f of x is equal to x square. That means all the square values I will get the other side. 1, 4, 9, 16 like that. Do I get 3, 5, 7 like that? Even 2? No. So if I am taking like a y belongs to z, there exists x belongs to z, such that f of x is equal to 3. Is this possible? For what value of x I will get 3? Root 3 only I should get, and root 3 is not considered as an integer, right? So if I have root 3 here, root 3 whole square will give me 3, but I cannot take root 3 here, right? Because mapping is from integer to integer. So when I am taking integer, I am getting square of that. So nowhere I will get x. So there does not exist. Okay, for y, for this y, there is no x. If you remember, while explaining onto, I told for each and every y, there should be x. Then only it is taken as a onto function. Or else you can think like this, range. Range is only subset of codomain. because codomain is completely Z and range is only squares of the numbers. Correct? If I am taking any integer here 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, square of that will be here. For 2 it is 4, 3 it is 9, 4 it is 16, like this. Even negative you take. So we'll get only those. But what about those number which are sitting in between? 2, 3, 5, 7, 6. All those numbers will not come under range. What comes under range? Only square of the numbers comes under range and codomain is completely integer. Okay. For this reason, I can tell that F is not onto. F is not surjective. F is not injective and F is not surjective. Therefore, F is not onto function. Understood? This is for the first one. This is done now. F of x is equal to x square I have taken. No? For that z to z is there. That is done. So what about the second one? Natural to natural is the set what is mapped and here f of x is equal to x cube is there. If you have x cube like that, I'll take that problem here. So second one, f is from natural to natural is the mapping and f of x is equal to x cube is the function what they have given. Now I have to show that it is 1, 1. I have to check that it is 1, 1 or onto. Okay. So what I'll do? X1 and X2. This I am doing like a theoretically in the step wise. You can take any particular example and do it. So I am showing you both the ways. Okay. X1 and X2 belongs to N. That is the domain part. If I am substituting X1 and I am taking that X1, f of X1 is equal to f of X2, then what happens? X1 cube is equal to X2 cube I'll get. Correct? So if I am having this and telling that natural number, I can tell that X1 is equal to X2. Right? Therefore, f is 1, 1 function. You take any example and prove it, or you take generally and do it like this. Anyway, it is right. And moreover, you are getting it as a 1, 1. Right? You are getting it as a 1, 1. So it is better to follow the same. Now come to onto. How to write it properly without taking any numbers. So what I have to do? For every. This is the each and every sentence what you have to write in exam. Okay. For every has to be there. For every y belongs to second set, that is natural number, there exists x. That means for each and every y there is a x which belongs to again natural number. How they are? F of x is equal to x cube, that is equal to y it is. Okay. Now if x cube is equal to y is given, x is equal to y to the power of 1 by 3. Is it possible in natural number? Because y is a natural number here. So if I take any natural number, cube root of that is coming. Right? So this does not belong to natural number. Any example also you can take, or generally you can do, because this is like disproving that f is not onto function. Is this clear? X cube when you take depends on the set also. When you take natural number, this won't be onto function, but it will be 1, 1 function. Understood? Next problem. Second one. Let a is equal to 1, 2, 3 is given and b is equal to 4, 5, 6, 7 are given, and this is the function what they are having. F is equal to 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 6 is there, and be a function from set A to set B. They are asking whether it is a 1, 1 function or not. Very simple. 1 is mapped to 4, 2 is mapped to 5, 3 is mapped to the 6. This is what given. First take the arrow diagram will also help you. It's not like only in steps you have to write. Arrow diagram also I can write. All three elements are mapped. Okay. See, this is the domain and codomain part. Now see the mapping. One is mapped with a 4, this is set A and this is set B and function is f, and 2 is mapped with a 5, 3 is mapped with a 6. Okay. Now one element is mapped to one element properly. All different elements are mapped with a different element. So I can tell that f is a 1, 1 function, right? You can write the reason. According to the definition, all the elements are mapped with the different elements in a B. Therefore, f is 1, 1 function. This is clear for us. What about onto? If the same question is asked for onto also, then what you will do? Tell me. If onto is given, if you have the mapping, first check for the domain and codomain and range part. Okay, codomain are having 4 elements and range will have only 3 elements. So elements are 4, 5 and 6 because 7 is not part of range, right? It is only part of codomain, it is not a part of range. So 7 is not coming under range. So I can tell that range is a subset of codomain, the proper subset of codomain. Therefore, f is not onto function. It is not asked. I am just giving you the information. If they ask also, you can check with the as it is mapping also you can check, or arrow diagram will help you to understand this. This is the function f. Okay. So given function is 1, 1 function but not onto function because of this reason. So range is subset of codomain and f is not onto. Clear? Let's see the next one. Prove that the greatest integer function f from R to R. When you are talking about greatest integer modulus function, usually we talk about real valued functions. Okay, real valued function in the sense f is from real number to real number. Domain is real number, codomain is also real number. Given by f of x is equal to greatest integer function is neither 1, 1 nor onto. Okay. When they give this neither 1, 1 nor onto, then take any particular example and do it. Don't take generally. Okay, don't do it like that. So I am taking any particular example and showing that it is not 1, 1 and it is not onto. So what is greatest integer function? What is the symbol? Denotes the greatest integer function or greatest integer less than or equal to x. That is already given. The definition is already given. If you have any doubt, I'll tell you what is greatest integer function. If you have taken any decimal, okay, then I have to write the integer, the closest integer to this number which is less than that. The integer which is less than this is 1, right? That is nothing but greatest integer function. The greatest one means the value of the integer has to be less than this what you have taken. That you remember always. Now if I take 2.5, tell me what is greatest integer of this? 2. If I have taken minus 1.3, negative. Be careful when you take negatives because many students will go wrong there. Minus 1.3, greatest integer will be minus 2. Okay. Now, if you have integer itself, what I have to do? Integer only I have to take. This one is clear because already we have studied this in detail. The domain, range and graph also we have studied in class 11th. Just I am brushing up that I am giving you the few examples so that it will be clear for you. Right? If I give you 1.4, what is the greatest integer? 1. That means for all the values which are coming, if I take the graph of this